I'm gonna give it to you tonight.
Okay, yes. Well, today we have a unusual lesson, yes? What date is it today? What date? Want
you say good
wishes to my neighbor. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Color. First, head to the color. Endi biz tusga bosib, to'pol o'ynaymiz. Qalay You are second group. Second group is unhealthy food. Yes? Endi что color? Second. Last lesson we have looked at what? Yani biz o'tgan sabaqda qanday davrada o'ylaysizlar? Qalay o'sha shaxs. Yes. The kim turali aytdi? Ayol kishi, ya? The woman. The right answer. Durust javobni tanla deydi. They deganimiz kim? Ular, ya? Ular deganda qanday tubiga keladi ular? Are. Kind are. Yes. I'll show you a statement. You should find the word. Which letter is it? Yani men senga bunday statementni ko'rsatib bo'lsam, senga qanday harfni tanlashim kerakligini ya? Sonmen bizning taqribimiz chiqadi. Siz Next one. The last one. 1, 2, 3. Who is ready? Healthy body. Yes, today's saying is healthy body. Now, students, let's repeat after me 3 times. Healthy food. Healthy food. Healthy food. Healthy food. Junk food. Snack. Olive oil. Biscuit. Do you like mushroom?
In front of unwrappable nuts.
Sanamaydın. Zaten sümeyli, jüri sanamaydın. Zaten sümeyli.
One cherry. A cherry.
Şaşası var? Zevke yoksa? Let's energize a little bit. Everybody stand up. You are unhealthy food. And you are healthy food. 2, 3, go! Okay, next one. Yes? Through only correct basket. Healthy. What is it? Sugar. No, it's unhealthy. One mistake. Unhealthy. Yes. Burger. Unhealthy. Right. Unhealthy burger. Yes. Okay. Let's check it. Yeah. The first group has 2 mistakes. Yes. And second group has 3 mistakes. 1, 2, 3. Who is winner? 15. Thomas ya. Thomas çıkıp 3 drinks ya. Yani onun içine kararınız. Look at and read the sentences. Mına şeydeki söylüyordu okuyunuz. Biz қазір sıfat және en edip tutuyor. Сол тақырып бойынша
Tomato. Ya tomato also. Milk. It just wastes
И сам дейміз жазамыз болды, ya. Vitaminlerimizi alalım. Sosun mınaға фамилиямызды yazıp маған тапсырыңдар. Фамилияны.
Ama olay durmadı. Bana dur.
9. Well done. How many? 6. Yes. Try hard. Express your attitude to the lesson from